Distronic and Distronic Plus, driving assistance systems with foresight. They regulate the distance to the driver in front and adapt the speed to the driving situation. However, in spite of the technical progress, there are limitations to the system. But first things first, what does the Distronic consist of? Outside the car, only the cover is visible, which protects the radar sensor underneath. The sensor has an integrated control device which is responsible for controlling the long-range area. The Distronic Plus, available for model types 221 and 216, has two other radar sensors. Together with the long-range sensor, these additional sensors improve the controlled area. The Distronic Plus reacts at a distance of 20 centimeters, and in contrast to the Distronic, works not only with flowing but also with stop-and-go and single-lane traffic. The control devices are installed in the trunk on the right. Due to country-specific regulations, these 24 GHz sensors are not available for every market. The Distronic makes driving not only easier but safer. However, with all the advantages, system limitations remain. The following examples include Distronic and Distronic Plus. Switch on the Distronic with the cruise control lever. Set the distance in the control wheel and observe the effect of the Distronic. System limitation curves. The Distronic meets its limitation with curves. The Distronic orients itself to the radar and to the steering wheel position. That means as long as the steering wheel is not turned, vehicles in front are only partially recognized, as shown in the graphic. In addition to the Distronic, the driver must always be ready to brake. System limitation barriers. For example, at a roundabout with a traffic sign, care is required, because the radar sensors register the sign as an obstacle, and the Pre-Safe and Distronic give a collision warning. Only when the steering wheel is turned does the system register the curve. The driver can switch off the collision warning in the menu Assistance, Pre-Safe Brake. The Distronic's function remains the same.